everyone, it's Lissette here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So this is the old set that I had. I ended up removing them, so I did file it back to its try to get it to its layer. I pushed the cuticles back, I did my normal prep, I did the 180 sanding bag, removing any shine. Now I'm going in with the Secret Dehydrator, and then I'm gonna go in as normal with my clear rubber base coat and then cure that for 60 seconds. Now I'm gonna go in with the Nude GelPot number 3, and I'm adding a thin wet layer first, and then I'm gonna go in with a larger bead, and then I'm going to sway that left and right, dragging it to the tip. Before moving on to the next nail, I do flash cure this for 15 seconds so the gel doesn't flood the cuticle area. Once I completed all of the nails, I do put it back into the light for another 60 seconds just to make sure that all the nails are fully cured. After you cured it, it's going to have a sticky layer on top. So I'm taking a lint-free wipey and alcohol, and I'm removing that film. Now I'm taking a 180-100 nail file, and I'm filing the side walls, and then I'm going to go over top to smooth. After removing the dust with some alcohol, I'm taking our Clavo's number 1477. It's a really bright shade of pink, really pretty. And then I'm going to coat the pinky and the thumb. And then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. And I do 2 coats. I'm gonna add this flower pattern foil to the nails. So I'm taking foil transfer glue, and then I'm going to add that to the ring finger and then the pointer finger, and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. After it's cured, I'm going to take the foil and I'm going to use a silicone, I guess, tool you would call it, and then rub that in. I like this tool because it really gets into like the cuticle area, and it really pushes it and lays down the foil. I love how nails look when they're encapsulated. So I am going in with some clear builder gel, and I'm going to encapsulate the gel polish and the foil, and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. And just like before, I am doing each finger individually. So once I complete one finger, I do flash cure it, and then I go on to doing the next nail. After they've cured, I do wipe off that sticky layer once again, and then I'm going to hand file the nails just slightly with a 100-180 grit hand file. After curing, I go in with some alcohol and I really scrub off any dust that's remaining on the nails. I wanted the nails to be blingy and to tie in all together. So I'm going to be adding some Swarovski crystals. So I'm adding MAKARTT's rhinestone thick glue, and this glue, it's a really inexpensive glue and it works really well. On top of the glue, I add a layer of top coat, and this really secures those stones. Once I do one nail, I cure this for at least 15 seconds, secure them so they don't move, and then I move on to the next nail. Once all the nails are complete, I do a final cure for 60 seconds. I really like how these nails turned out. The stones really tied in all the nails together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of this nail design. Please follow me on all my social media and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.